I know you don't like me squeezing shit in here, but I actually literally like an hour before the show, I was going to send it to you. Remember that Texas driver that was having the 3-hour locking out problem after 3
Oh, yeah.
deployments? All right. This is his text. He goes, Sergio, you're the man. It's fixed. Thank you so much. You know, I don't know if I had anything to do with it or we had anything to do with it. I mean, we did some work in the background, of course. But if it's fixed, bro, all power to you. I'm glad it is fixed. And, you know, those series of videos that we did were like really, really popular, Chris, right? People were going off right and left. But if it's fixed, I'm glad it is. And I'm glad you're safe, and go make the money now. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me know.
I had emailed another RideShare Guy contributor. He had not gotten back to me yet if that's the case, because he was having that same type of issue too with the 3 strikes and you're out basically. So again, if you guys are experiencing that still, if you give 3 declines in a row and then get kicked out for X amount of hours or time frame, and you're still seeing that, let us know. See if you can try to screen record that. But for at least the first driver who got hold of us, he said that everything seems to be fixed now. So glad to hear that has been taken care of and all that. So we appreciate that. And then Hamato or whatever, Hamatov.
Thank you.
We appreciate that. Then yeah. So
there, no more log out from account. They're closed. There you go. Thumbs up. We fixed something. I think we fixed it. And you know what, by the way, the other thing that I noticed, there was no surge baiting going on, bro. I was getting what I was seeing. I was like, holy shit, this is working. We did something.
You know what? I think the biggest thing is part of the reason why there's surge bait. I had to really think about this a lot. It could be, you know, surge baiting glitch where, you know, you see it and then all of a sudden it disappears because, you know, whatever is going on in the coding. But the other thing too is it comes down to real-time supply and demand.
Yeah.
And so if you have other drivers who are logging on at the same time, that's going to bring it down. But you know, when it comes to the sticky surge and, you know, you're literally driving underneath something that says like $20, but it shows $2.25 on your next trip,
or zero,
or zero. For that matter, then there's a real problem. But I think the reason too why you would have seen it stick around much longer and actually getting it is because there's such a demand and the amount of supply versus demand out there. No matter how it looks, it's probably going to stay like that. And that's why you said it was bleeding red the entire time, you know, for hours on end. It wasn't just something where it was like, oh, a little bit here and then a little bit there. No, it was because there was a strong demand almost.
I missed it. I missed those days, bro. I missed it, man. Every weekend was like that. I missed it so much. It was like, I mean, why can't this be like this all the time? Yeah, okay, there you go. So, Adnan Mahmoud, email me. I'll email you back. Adnan Mahmoud says, I'm not going to answer it now. Email me, Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. I'll answer your questions.
Yeah, and going back on the weekends in Buffalo from about 12:30 to about 1 is when it really kicked in, really started. And then it would go till about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And peaks were around 2 to 3. And, you know, you could essentially, you know, time it at that point. It was almost, I would say about 98% of the weekends that I was driving, it felt that. Some weekends it was actually slow and it was just depending on what was going on or what was not going on. But then other times it was like insane. So,
yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.